I'll never do this again, using that sound as your main audio source. There's a lot of ways that you can get better audio. You can add a boom mic, you can add a lav mic. Shoot, you can even get a cheap lavalier cable that plugs right into your camera. But do not use your camera NAT sound as your main audio source. It will not sound good. There's gonna be a lot of background noise. Every airplane that flies over is gonna be amplified 20 times, and it's gonna sound like If you don't have a budget, at the very least, get a cheap shotgun mic to plug right into your camera and put on top. That's gonna sound exponentially better than the NAT audio that's coming from your camera. So we also wanna know, what is your biggest audio mistake? Let us know down in the comments. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep getting more content from us. Now, if you do have a little bit of budget, there's a few things you can do. One of those is actually getting a Rode Go 2 mic. They go for about 200 bucks, and they sound great. They can record internally. You can also plug them into your camera. But at the very least, like I said before, use the budget you have to get something better than that sound. It's gonna change your videos completely.